Ever notice how small, seemingly insignificant actions reveal more about a person than their words ever could? People unconsciously expose their true character, intentions, and priorities through subtle behaviors, gestures, and choices, and learning to notice them can save you from misunderstandings, disappointment, or misplaced trust. Small actions, like remembering details about your life, responding to messages inconsistently, or how they treat others when no one's watching, speak louder than grand statements or promises. These behaviors quietly reveal whether someone is reliable, considerate, or self-centered. People who are authentic consistently show care, respect, and integrity in small ways. They notice the little things, follow through without reminders, and demonstrate empathy naturally. Conversely, those with hidden agendas or opportunistic motives reveal themselves in tiny patterns of neglect, indifference, or self-interest. Pay attention to timing, tone, and effort. Do they respond only when convenient? Do they offer help selectively? Do their actions match their words? These subtle cues give insight into their true priorities and emotional alignment with you. Small actions also reveal emotional states. Frustration, insecurity, or resentment often slips out in micro-behaviors, eye rolls, avoidance, or lack of acknowledgement, even if they never say a word. Understanding these cues helps you navigate relationships with clarity and confidence. The more you observe, the easier it becomes to distinguish genuine people from those who may harm or disappoint you. Learning to read these signals protects your time, energy, and emotional well-being while helping you invest in connections that are authentic and meaningful. This video explores how people expose themselves through small actions, the subtle signs to notice, and how to use this awareness to build stronger, healthier, and more trusting relationships. As you reflect on the behaviors, patterns, and interactions we've explored, remember this: people reveal themselves not only in what they say, but in what they do, the small gestures they repeat, and how they treat you when no one is watching. Life is filled with lessons hidden in these subtle moments, in who respects your boundaries, who honors your time and presence, who communicates with honesty, and who reacts under stress or discomfort. Observing these actions with clarity allows you to protect your energy, understand intentions, and make decisions that align with your values and self-respect. Not everyone is meant to stay, and not every behavior is about you. Often, the way someone acts reflects their own fears, insecurities, priorities, or unresolved struggles. Some will show care only when convenient, some will test limits without realizing it, and others will reveal their true intentions over time. Awareness helps you distinguish between patterns that uplift and those that drain, between relationships that are genuine and those that are conditional. Every interaction is a mirror, a chance to see not just others, but also yourself, your patience, your boundaries, your clarity, and your ability to recognize authenticity. Pay attention to consistency over intensity, effort over words, and reactions over explanations. Notice who shows respect without being asked, who communicates even when it's difficult, and who chooses presence over convenience. These are the signs that matter, the truths that reveal character and priorities.